Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss another video of Bhakti Charu Swami.
So, how is everything going? Everything is Hari Bol. Thank you. Yes, our business is Hari Bol. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva Kevalam. Kalo nasteva 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 gatirannatha. In this age of Kali, there is no other way, no other way, no other way besides chanting the holy name of the Lord. So, that's our business. That should be everybody's business. When everyone chants Hare Krishna, then the whole world will become Vaikuntha. Because people are not surrendering to Krishna, that's why there are so many problems. And the problem keeps on increasing. But the solution to all problems is Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam. That is the solution. You surrender, and it is said that when one surrenders to Krishna, then there cannot be any problem. Jeev Krishna Das Ebishas Korle to Dukkha nai. If a living entity recognizes that he is a servant of Krishna, then there cannot be any suffering. All our sufferings are due to our forgetfulness of Krishna. And when we remember Krishna, when we surrender unto Krishna, when we render service unto Krishna, then life becomes joyful. Are you all feeling joyful? Very good. So, and from your face I can see that you are feeling joyful. Bright face is a sign of happy heart. When your heart is happy, your face becomes brilliant. Your face becomes effulgent. So, that is the clear indication. Today I was talking to some devotees, and I was telling them how when one takes to Krishna consciousness, they become joyful. And then I saw there were two other persons standing there at the back. So I asked who they are, and they turned out that they're just working for some construction is going on. They're working there. They're also from that same area. So I started to preach to them. Bengalis, as you know, are very fond of fish. So I asked him whether he'll be able to give up eating meat and fish. He said, yes, he will. I said, then 50% of the job is done. And I suggested that he comes and attends the program and So they were very receptive, they responded nicely. So while I was driving to the airport, I told Prashanta Gauranga, whose house I was staying, and I told him that take their photographs. And then when they start to follow Krishna consciousness, then you show them how they looked before and how they're looking now. So, after all, you see, our inner state reflects externally. Like, how did you get this body? Our bodies, different bodies are there. How does one get one body? One gets his body according to his subtle body. The gross body is the product of subtle body. We create the subtle body with our karma. And Mother Nature gives the gross body according to the subtle body. So ultimately it is all our own doing. As we act, accordingly we get our next body. A person who acts like an animal, isn't it natural that nature would give an animal body? And when one acts like an animal, his subtle body takes the shape of an animal. Okay, now let me consider, what is the subtle body? Subtle body? What is the subtle body? Brajana Krishna. Body made of mind, intelligence and false ego. So, we know we have a mind, we know we have intelligence, and most really we have a false ego also. But how do we know that we have a body made of those elements? How do we know that we have a subtle body? The answer is, when you fall asleep, what happened to your gross body? Are you aware of your gross body? When you fall asleep, are you aware of your gross body, this body? No. But you are dreaming. Don't you dream? And in your dream, are you there? In dream, you see things, you are there, things are happening. Sometimes you even dream that you are dressed up like a king. So that is the subtle body. The body that is active or that is there in our dream, that's the subtle body. Can you deny that when you are dreaming you don't have a body? No. When you are dreaming, naturally you have a body. So that's the subtle body. And you will notice one thing. Say for example, Kamsa was having nightmares. At night Kamsa couldn't sleep, he used to get nightmares. Why is that? Because of his sinful reactions, he was having nightmares. When people are sinful, they have bad dreams. But those who are Krishna conscious, they have Krishna conscious dreams. In advanced stage, devotees, what happens? When they are asleep, they're rendering service to Krishna. How is that? Because their subtle body has become so purified, has become Krishna conscious. Therefore, at an advanced stage, one is rendering devotional service 24 hours a day. When he is rendering devotional service, in his sleep also he is rendering devotional service. That will be the perfection. When you are awake, we are chanting, and when you are asleep, then also we will be chanting. We want to reach that stage. That even when we are sleeping, we are chanting the holy name, we are rendering devotional service unto Krishna, and that is the perfection. And in this way, when one is Krishna conscious all the time, isn't it natural that at the time of death he will think of Krishna? So this is how wonderfully effective this process is. Practice the process, perfection will be there. So achieve that perfection. So in 2 days there is Gaura Purnima. Let's have a nice celebration. So I can see that many of you have come already to attend Gaura Purnima. More are coming, I think, from Gurgaon. About how many devotees are coming? 47 devotees are coming from Gurgaon. Surat, how many? 10 devotees. Okay. Very good. Okay, so I'll be here till 23rd. So today is 19th, 20th, 21st is Gaura Purnima, 22nd. And then I'll be leaving for some time. Anyway, next few days I'm going to look forward to spending with you all. So, how are you doing? Shivananda? Back home? Okay. So, after Gaura Purnima, you'll go home. For how long? For?
Couple of weeks.
Only couple of weeks? Oh, I'm happy to hear that. And where is Krishnarpit? And they went home. They'll come back afterwards. Okay. And I heard you were saying 5 boys joined. Next month they're joining. Who are from Bhopal base? You're from? You're from Bhopal base? Oh, what did you study? Okay, oh, you are there, you are here before.
Next month.
Next month you're joining. Okay. Did you work outside for 1.5 years? You didn't complete 2 years. And what are you doing?
Preparing for competitive exams, government exams.
Okay, okay. What, IAS? Huh? Okay, good. Okay. So I'm very happy to see all of you. Very happy to see all of you also. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna. When did you come? Today. Mirabai, when did you come? Today only. Okay. And when, Shama, when did you come? Yesterday. Okay. Very good. Okay, thank you all very much. Hare Krishna. You also came today? Yesterday. Okay. Okay. You went to Bhubaneswar before coming? You just came from Hyderabad. Very good. Very good. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.